Hey everybody, this is Tim Bruce with the Homecraft team. I just want to welcome you to 1418 Oak Grove here in Walled Lake. This is an awesome ranch home. 3 bedrooms, 2 full bath, finished basement. You're gonna love all the upgrades they've done over the years. Check this one out. Thanks for checking out this home here in Walled Lake. It's now available for you to come take a visit. For more information, go to our website, homecraftteam.com. You can give us a call, you can text us, 734-329-0123. Check us out on YouTube, all the social sites and Facebook, give us a like. Appreciate you stopping by.